What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Mars Hydro sent me over their TS3000 LED grow light, and in this video I am going to test the power output, and I'm also going to do a heat test on it. I actually already did a power test and heat test and actually unboxed this unit in a previous video. However, in that video I adjusted the dimmer to go up to 100%. And Mars Hydro doesn't recommend adjusting the dimmer to 100% because it decreases the lifespan of the fixture. And I had some requests in the comment section for me to do a power test at factory settings, which is 450 watts. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. If you want to see the other power test on this grow light, I'll link it down in the description section below. I'll also provide a link to this grow light in the description section below. For the power test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ620 extended range power meter. This meter measures from 340 nanometers to 1040 nanometers, and the measurements are in ppfd. If this is your first time watching my power test videos, I do them just to give you a general idea of what the power output is. They're not meant to be 100% accurate. I take measurements in grow tents, which have reflective walls. That could increase the numbers, so just keep that in mind. Flowering coverage area for this grow light is 4 feet by 4 feet, and I'm taking measurements in a 4 foot by 4 foot grow tent. I've plugged this LED grow light into my kilowatt meter, and it shows 3.78 amps, pulling 449 watts from the wall. Alright, let's get into the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know down in the comment section below. Just a reminder that there is a link to this grow light down in the description section below, along with that other par test I did where I adjusted the dimmer to 100%. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.